What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today we are continuing our series on how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Today we will be looking at how to add the high score system. If we beat our high score will currently change. As you can see, it is changing. And the high score is not going to be set to anything because it's the high score. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we are from last time, and if you want to play this game, I have the game and I will send the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. So in order to make this high score system, let's make a block called check high scores. And make sure it's run screen without refresh. In check high scores, we're going to do an if statement. And we are going to make a new variable called high scores. And make sure we click the cloud variable box. And then there's this message over here that says cloud variables can only support numbers. So we cannot use letters. And since it's only numbers, it's fine. So let's put our high score variable over here, and let's say if high score is less than our clicks, which is our score, then we're going to set high score to clicks. And that's basically all you need. And do when green flag is clicked, we are going to get a forever loop, and forever we are going to check high scores. And this is basically a short tutorial on how to do a high score system. So as you can see, the high score is 12, and our clicks, you have to beat the high score. So now we have beat the high score. And if you click the green flag again, the high score variable does not change. So that was basically a short tutorial on how to make a high score system in Scratch. And this high score system you can use in any of your projects. All you need to do is just use this script. And yeah. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.